In this video, we will show you how to delete a website's content from your Bluehost account. Want to reset, rebrand, or refresh your website's look? If you need a clean slate, you can delete your website's content right from your Bluehost portal. Before you do, remember, this action completely resets your site, removing all posts, pages, media, users, and comments. Once deleted, your site becomes inaccessible until you rebuild it. If you're ready for a fresh start, here's how to delete your website content. Just a reminder, always back up your website first. This keeps all your content and custom settings safe so you can restore them if needed. This step helps you avoid losing any data when you make changes to your website. To access your Bluehost account, follow these steps. In your browser, click on Login in the top banner of our Bluehost website, or head straight to the Bluehost login page using this link. Enter your user ID and password. You can also use your social login credentials if you have set them up. Enter the verification code sent to your email, then click Verify Code. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Websites. Find the website you want to modify and click Manage to delete its content. From the horizontal menu, click the Advanced tab, scroll down to the Site Management section, and locate Delete Content Only. Click the Delete Content Only button. To confirm the deletion, copy the site URL shown in red, paste it into the confirmation field, and click Delete. A confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen, indicating that your site content is now being deleted. Now that you know how to delete your website's content from your Bluehost account, updating and rebuilding your site just became a whole lot easier. Great job!